subscribe to the channel, like the video, then comment. So let's move down to the steps. So I'm going to send the link below the video description. So I'm going to send the link. So you click on this link and it will take you down to Microsoft 365. Yeah, Microsoft 365. So what we're trying to achieve here is Power BI free account. Like you can use your personal Gmail account to sign up to Power BI account. You can only use the school, the student account, or a company email. So which is very difficult. Some of us don't have this student account. Some of us are not working yet. So we're going to use this platform to generate an account you can be using to log in on that platform. So let's move on. Like I said, this is step by step creating account and also activating it. So you look down here, you see some of the packages of Microsoft. We have Microsoft 365 app for enterprise. We have Microsoft 365 E1 Team. So I'm going to pick up this Microsoft 365 E1. So I'm trying to free. So click on it. So yeah, you'll be asked to input your email address. So yeah, I'm going to input my email address. I'm going to be using Johnny Daniel Ogechuku at no region. So you pick a region. So my region is Nigeria. Nigeria. Yeah, I have Nigeria. Then I would like my brother to share my information. So let's do next. So yeah, you defaulted the code. So to activate, let's use text me. Text me is better. So you can use call me also. No, the problem with the number I provided. Okay, zero. I did a good mistake. Kindly check your phone for the code. Check the phone. Code has forwarded to you. So just a few minutes before you receive the code. Then create a network. It's not really absolutely. So I have the code with me 929032. This code that was sent to me, then verify. Then verify. Good. So yeah, I have Johnny Daniel at total is one. So this will be um my email. Let me put it down. In case mistakenly forget, let me put it somewhere. Put it somewhere, type it somewhere. Johnny Ogechuku. Username Ogechuku. Johnny Ogechuku. Data from uh, copy. Yes, save it. At data data is on data is on 365 dot on Microsoft.com on Microsoft.com. So that's my email. That's my email. Next password. Choose the password. So going for this is the password I'll be using. So you also choose your own password. Does not match. Morning. So that's the password I'm using. creating account. So then don't add a payment method. So just open the Power BI account. Click on your Power BI account. Open your Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop. These are Power BI desktop. So sign in. Just sign in up. Click on sign in. Then I'm going to paste that email. That email that was given to me, which is this. This email I'm using. The next. Add another account. So I'll still paste it here. Then next. Password. Later, later. To go soon call at 12. So I have the password. Into the password. No. Done. So successfully. So check your browser to complete the Power BI setup. If your browser does not open, click it. This is what I'm using. So click here. The browser does not open. So let's finish up the setup. Yeah, let's get you started. So click on next. Region. Select the region. My region here is Nigeria. Choose Nigeria. Phone number. Okay. Get started. Next, confirm. So done. I think that has been activated. This is has been activated. That is all. Let's go back to our Power BI account and sign in. And make sure. Good. Can see that. So here I've signed in. I've signed into my Power BI account. That's very easy to open Power BI account. So this is my Power BI account. And see now my Power BI has been linked to this account. So I think this helps us a lot. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more of these videos. So done. And say that has been activated. This is has been activated. That is all. Let's go back to our Power BI account and sign in. And make sure. Good. You can see that. So here I've signed in. I've signed into my Power BI account. That is very easy to open Power BI account. So this is my Power BI account. You can see that my Power BI has been linked to this account. So I think this helped us a lot. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want more of these videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.